You know, you never walk in and say, I'm dealing with a serial killer.
He raped them, he sodomized them, and he murdered them.
They would have their last sort of death throes, and that would cause him to have his orgasm.
He divulged to us that he put toilet paper up his anus so that he could have sex with it. His own daughter had gone missing a few years earlier, and he had been implicated there again as being seen with her last. But again, I think the policeman, you know, the idea was, you know, what father's going to kill his daughter? So not knowing what we were dealing with at that stage, it was pretty overlooked. You like this good look at a chick's like you, but you've never cut a woman's sexual organs apart and eaten it. It's one of the worst things I've ever seen in my life. And he had created this persona amongst the people that he called himself some alter ego, Boetie Boer. I'll show you the physical expression. He took his hands like this and he ek is Boetie Boer. So once we'd got him talking about himself, I think that was the open sesame, if I can put it that way. A lot of them want to be heard. So I mean, my experience with him was he wanted to talk, he wanted to be heard, he didn't want to be caught.